Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix iPhone Wi-Fi issue after iOS 17 update. So how to fix this issue you have? First of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos. So fix this issue. Do not waste any time. First solution, you have to Google Wi-Fi off and turn on. So you have open the control center from here, then you have turn off and then turn on, and then he is properly working on your iPhone. Then first solution is not working there. Second solution, you have toggle on and off airplane mode. So you have open the setting and from here airplane mode I have already turned off, then on, turn, and then other solution you have disable the VPN. If there are you have using the VPN, so you have open the setting and click on general, and then from VPN device management is connected, so you have should be disconnect from here. So you have other solution, you have forget and reconnect network. So you have used the Wi-Fi, so you have delete the network and then other and second time you have connected from your network, and then other solution you have restart your iPhone. So go back from here, so you have volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears a logo on your screen, then your problem will be fixed, and 5 to 10 seconds wait and then your problem will be fixed. So other solution, you have delete all network settings, so you have open the setting again and click on general, scroll up, then click on transfer or reset, then click on reset network setting. iPhone given a passcode and you have given iPhone passcode, and then your problem will be fixed. And then other solution, you have erase iPhone data of all. So you have again open the setting and click on general, scroll up, transfer or reset, erase all content and setting, and then is continue, and then your iPhone apps and data all is delete from here, and no backup on your iPhone. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.